Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Do you need to appeal something in immigration? Well, it's not an easy matter, number one, to appeal, and number two, it's not easy to know where you need to appeal or what you need to appeal. There are multiple different agencies under immigration law, and depending what was denied, where it was denied, will depend where the appeal goes. Okay, sometimes an appeal will go to the Board of Immigration Appeals, sometimes to the AA, that's the BIA, sometimes to the AAO, the Administrative Appeals Unit. Sometimes it'll go there. Sometimes it'll go to BALCA, which is the Board of Alien Labor Certification Appeals. Sometimes, if you lose more than once in a row, you'll do a circuit court of appeal, and you'll go up to the actual circuit courts and you'll do a petition for review. Sometimes if the petition for review is denied, you'll do a petition for rehearing en banc. And sometimes if the petition for review, the BIA, the trial court, the petition for rehearing en banc, if that's all appealed, you can get all the way up to the Supreme Court of the United States and do a writ of certiorari. So I'm just naming a few. There's actually more. But the point is that if you're going to appeal something in immigration law, you better make sure you get someone who knows what they're doing. There is no realistic way that someone who is not experienced in appealing immigration decisions will be able to do it to your benefit. Okay? Because not only do you have to know where to put it and where to file it, but when to file it. And of course, most importantly, you need to know what the arguments are. There's a lot of arguments that people do when it goes up on appeal that get summarily dismissed, which means that basically they look at it, they go, nope, there's no appealable issue here, goodbye, denied. So just make sure that you know what needs to be appealed, when it needs to be appealed, where it needs to be appealed, and the arguments that need to go into it. Okay? Sometimes you have to fight a few battles to win the war, and that's how appeals go. And that's why they have the opportunity to appeal, to give you that opportunity. Okay?